I will explain you the future opportunities that we have in this university.
The laboratories here are truly state-of-the-art, equipped with cutting-edge technologies that prepare students not just for the today's challenges, but for the tomorrow's inventions.
One of the best things I appreciate about this internship is lectures that are conducted.
Throughout my internship experience, I learned how to approach a problem systematically.
I was fascinated by the quantum research facility.
So you will have a better future in this university.
Hey everyone, I am Sai Sri Kumar Parmi from Anurag Engineering College, Telangana. I have been selected as an intern student here for the summer internship. The laboratories I have visited, the thing that resounded, that fixed in my mind is the idea that knowledge is theoretical until it is put into action and transformed into a skill, where the laboratories truly shine. They bridge the gap between the classroom learning and real-world application, transforming knowledge into skill and continuous practice skill into mastery. They create an environment where students can explore, experiment, and confidently work with technologies that are shaping the future.
Hi everyone, this is Deepika from Anurag Engineering College. Coming to the future opportunities in this university, we have M.Tech, MS and Master programs, and also if you are passionate about the discovery, you can do the research and publish it to the world, and you can develop it to the startup idea, and that startup idea will be supported by this university. If you think after B.Tech what I have to do, you can consult any of the professor in this university, and then you can get more knowledge about what you have to do in the future.
Hi, I am Revant, a B.Tech student specializing in artificial intelligence and data science from Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram. From understanding the problem statement to reviewing past work, exploring different approaches to the result, analyzing results, and documenting observation. This has been the key part of my research experience. This internship has mainly strengthened my interest in research and motivated me to learn continuously to solve more real-world problems.
Hello everyone, I am Kirti from Vijayawada. Currently I am pursuing B.Tech 4th year in MIC College of Technology. I am one of the intern in summer fellow internship conducted at SRM University-AP. The lectures which are conducted are well organized, engaging and highly informative. The best thing that I appreciate is they not only told the lectures in theoretical manner, but they helped us to do the practical things on hands-on session.
It was incredible to witness a technology like quantum computing, which many of us associate with future, but it is in the present, it is in reality. It was incredible to witness a technology like quantum computer. I was also genuinely appreciate the student-led Next-Tech laboratory. Its uniqueness and practical approach to innovation left a lasting impression on me. It is a space where students not only develop technical skills but also grow into confident innovators and future leaders.
And coming to the entrepreneurship, so they will support you by your idea. If you told any idea, they can support you and will provide money also to develop your idea into the world.
They explained all the important topics like deep learning, machine learning, computer vision, AI and research related topics.
I'll always cherish the knowledge, mentorship and guidance I gained during this internship.
As an intern, I had to know that what should I do after B.Tech, but now I can decide what I have to create an impact to the world.
I am really grateful to all the faculty and mentors for the support and guidance throughout the internship.
I am very much gratitude to the SRM University to provide me such a great opportunity. I am truly honored to be part of the summer internship. Thank you.